Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for a particular item by uploading a picture to the ZARA application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on this search icon down below next to the menu icon and click on the image option indicated with the camera icon below the search bar. Here you have two options. You can either take a picture with your phone or select an image from your gallery. So tap on the relevant one, direct your camera to the product, take a picture, and after that click on the use photo button. And now here you can see the results, so feel free to browse among them, and basically that's how you can search by an image. So that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.